there's of course a train en route Dibrugarh which has derailed in Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. We're of course getting preliminary information as far as this is concerned. Now Railways has already deployed a rescue team. They have been rushed to the site as well. There's a medical van also that is said to have reached the spot, and the rescue operations are currently underway. These are the first visuals from the accident site that have been retrieved. You clearly see passengers there getting out of the trains and also picking up their luggages as well. Several coaches of the trains have also overturned after derailment. In fact, let's also listening to the reactions that are coming in right now.
ये 14:37 की घटना है। जो प्राइमरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को मिली है उसके हिसाब से 4 से 5 कोच डिरेल हुए हैं जो पटरी से उतरे हैं, और राहत बचाव की जो टीमें हैं वो रेलवे की वो साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं, मेडिकल वैन साइड पे पहुंच गई है, जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं वो साइड पे पहुंच गए हैं। हमारी पहली प्रायोरिटी है कि जल्द से जल्द जो है वहाँ राहत के बचाव का कार्य पूरा किया जाए।
किसी के हताहत होने की भी घटना है?
अभी जैसे ही आगे की सूचना मिलेगी तो आप लोगों को सूचित किया जाएगा।
सर, कोई ट्रेनें बाधित है अभी इसको लेकर?
हाँ, इसके लिए कुछ ट्रेनों का डाइवर्सन हम लोग कर रहे हैं, उसकी सूचना थोड़ी देर में दी जाएगी।
Right, so that was of course the CPRO there, of course the officer who's responsible to give us all the information about what's happened so far, and what we are understanding right now is that this incident occurred around 2:30, 4 to 5 bogies have derailed. This is the official information that we're getting. You just heard there the officials speaking about this. Several teams have also been diverted to the spot, and also doctors are already at the spot. Now this is the official information that we're getting right now, and these are the visuals, the first visuals that arrived from the spot, the incident site there of the train derailment. In fact, 4 to 5 coaches is what we are being told, but from the visuals it is very clear that it's much more than that. We'll of course wait for the official number to come out, but that's the preliminary information that we have right now, and it's very clear right now the fact that several coaches derailed and some even ended up overturning. How many people have been injured in this? That's a question that remains. We'll of course be getting numbers on that as well. But meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh and also Assam Chief Minister have already taken note of the incident. Initial reports suggest that over 20 people have been injured, but official confirmation is still awaited as well. My colleague Sneha joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Sneha, now these are of course preliminary numbers and information that we're getting right now. We're all flashing that on the screens as well, including the helpline numbers. But this is of course raising serious questions on the safety of Indian Railways, because just over a month ago we saw the Kanchenjunga Express as well, the incident that occurred there, and now a second incident in just a span of 30 days. This is now bound to raise serious questions on not just the functioning of Indian Railways but also the role of the Union Railway Minister.
Definitely, Ashish. Lots of questions being raised, and rightly so. But before we even get into that, just to also mention, this is the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express. And out of the 12 coaches, there are 4 coaches that have derailed. And these were the AC coaches. You can see in your visuals, people are just on both sides of the train with their luggage. They're seated or they are standing. And as you mentioned, of course, medical services have been pressed into action. But this is something that is very post-action. Questions being raised. What were the systems in place? What is in place to be able to avoid these things? Because as you mentioned, and it's important to put things in perspective, this is not one isolated case. Even if it was one isolated case,
in fact, my colleague Vinod also joins me on the broadcast here to get us information about the latest that's happening right now. Vinod, ये मामला पूरा अभी सामने आया, विजुअल्स भी आ रहे हैं. ऑफिशियली बोला जा रहा है कि 4 से 5 बोगियां जो है वो डिरेल हुई है. और क्या जानकारी है अपने पास?
ये भी इंफॉर्मेशन है कि मोर देन 20 जो है वो इसमें इंजर्ड हुए हैं, सीवियर इंजरी है उनको। एम्बुलेंसेस मौके पे पहुंच गई हैं। अभी जो इंफॉर्मेशन आई है उसके मुताबिक उनको पास के जो लोकल हॉस्पिटल्स है गोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट के, वहां शिफ्ट किया जा रहा है। सारे अधिकारी जो है वो वहां मौके पहुंच गए हैं। सीएम की तरफ से ये डायरेक्शन थे कि जो भी लोकल डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अधिकारी हैं वो तुरंत मौके पहुंचे। पहली प्रायोरिटी है कि जो लोग घायल हुए हैं, क्योंकि रेस्क्यू सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, और ये है कि जो घायल है उनका बेहतर इलाज हो सके, तो उन्हें उसकी व्यवस्था की गई है। जो कमिश्नर गोंडा है उनकी तरफ से एक डेथ को कंफर्म किया गया है। तो ये बड़ी राहत की बात है कि इतने बड़े हादसे के बाद भी मौतें ज्यादा नहीं हुई हैं। घायलों की संख्या जरूर 20 से 25 के बीच बताई जा रही है। हालांकि अभी भी रेस्क्यू वहां पे चल रहा है। 4 से 5 बोगियां हैं जो पटरी से उतरी हैं, डैमेज हुई हैं, और इसी की वजह से ये पूरा हादसा हुआ। ये जो टाइम बताया जा रहा है लोकल प्रशासन की तरफ से, बताया जा रहा है कि 2:30 पर, यानी करीब 2:30 बजे ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। और जब ट्रेन की जो बोगियाँ हैं 4 से 5 बोगियाँ वो ट्रेन से पटरी से उतर गई हैं, डिरेल हो गई हैं। अभी इसका रीज़न क्या है ये बहुत क्लियर नहीं है, लेकिन ये ज़रूर है कि ये हादसा बहुत ही दर्दनाक है। जिस तरीके से रेल्स को लेकर लगातार सवाल उठ रहे हैं और लगातार हादसे हो रहे हैं। ऐसे में एक और हादसा जो है वो गोंडा के पास हुआ उत्तर प्रदेश में और डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस है जो डिरेल हुई है।
जी विनोद, काफी लिमिटेड ऑफिशियल जानकारी है। ये अभी तक 4 से 5 बोगियां डिरेल हुई है। डॉक्टर्स जो है वो स्पॉट पे है। 20 से 25 लोग घायल है, ये ऑफिशियली हमको पता लग रहा है। लेकिन कुछ अगर हमें जानकारी मिली है कि आखिर ये हुआ कैसा हादसा, क्योंकि डिरेलमेंट जैसे हादसे काफी कुछ रिसेंटली हो रहे हैं, तो ये हादसा एग्जैक्टली हुआ कैसे?
देखिए अब इसको लेकर सवाल ज़रूर पूछा गया था प्रशासन के लोगों से, लेकिन उनका कहना है कि हमारा प्राइमरी फ़ोकस जो है वो रेस्क्यू पर है। रीज़न क्या है उसको बाद में इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जाएगा। ट्रेन पटरी से उतरी है, डिरेल हुआ है, तो इसका रीज़न इसके पीछे की वजह क्या है, इसका पता रेलवे ज़रूर लगाएगी। लेकिन अभी प्राइमा फेसी जो हमारी प्रायोरिटी है, वो यही है कि हम जल्द से जल्द रेस्क्यू करें। जो लोग घायल हैं, उनको बढ़िया अस्पतालों में पहुँचाकर उनको बेहतर इलाज की व्यवस्था कर सकें, तो वो उसी में प्रशासन लगा हुआ है। अभी रेल हादसे की वजह ना तो रेलवे बता पा रहा है और ना ही लोकल प्रशासन के लोग बता पा रहे हैं।
बहुत धन्यवाद सारी जानकारी के लिए। इनफैक्ट लेट्स अगेन लिसन इन टू द ऑफिशियल रिएक्शन एंड द ऑफिशियल कंफर्मेशन अबाउट द लेटेस्ट दैट्स कमिंग राइट नाउ फ्रॉम पंकज सिंह, हु सेड टू बी द CPRO।
मोतीगंज से भिलाई के बीच में चंडीगढ़ से डिब्रूगढ़ जाने वाली ट्रेन का डेरेलमेंट हुआ है। वहाँ पर मेडिकल वैन जो रेलवे की होती है ARME वो साइट पर पहुँच गई है और राहत बचाव का कार्य शुरू कर दिया गया है। एक हेल्पलाइन नंबर भी हम लोगों ने इस्टेब्लिश किया है। लखनऊ में जो हेल्पलाइन नंबर इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है वो आपको बता देते हैं 8957 409292। गोंडा में जो हेल्पलाइन नंबर इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है वो है 8957 400965। तो इस हेल्पलाइन नंबर को इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया गया है। राहत बचाव का कार्य जारी है। जो हमारे रेलवे के ऑफिसर्स हैं वो साइट पे पहुंच गए हैं। महाप्रबंधक सुश्री सौम्या माथुर जी भी साइट के लिए निकल गई हैं। जो प्रिंसिपल चीफ सेफ्टी ऑफिसर होते हैं वो भी साइट के लिए निकल गए हैं। राहत बचाव का कार्य जारी है। ये 14:37 की घटना है। जो प्राइमरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को मिली है उसके हिसाब से 4 से 5 कोच डिरेल हुए हैं जो पटरी से उतरे हैं और राहत बचाव की जो टीमें हैं वो रेलवे की वो साइट पे पहुंच गए हैं। मेडिकल वैन साइट पे पहुंच गई है। जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं वो साइट पे पहुंच गए हैं। हमारी पहली प्रायोरिटी है कि जल्द से जल्द जो है वहाँ राहत के बचाव का कार्य पूरा किया जाए।
किसी के हताहत होने की भी घटना है?
अभी जैसे ही आगे की सूचना मिलेगी तो आप लोगों को सूचित किया जाएगा।
सर कोई ट्रेनें बाधित है अभी इसको लेकर?
हाँ, इसके लिए कुछ ट्रेनों का डाइवर्जन हम लोग कर रहे हैं, उसकी सूचना थोड़ी देर में दी जाएगी।
All right, viewers. So that was the CPRO of the Northeastern Railways there. The official information that we have, I'll just take you through that. 2:37 is when this incident is said to have occurred. This is in Gonda of Uttar Pradesh, and the exact spot is said to be somewhere near the Jhilai station as well. And 4 to 5 bogies are said to be derailed. The doctors are on the spot. 20 to 25 people are said to be injured. 2 people have died, and ambulances have already arrived at the spot. Sneha joins me on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Sneha, now 2 people have died, several more are injured. The rescue teams and also the medical services have been pressed on the spot. What's more we're tracking now?
See, Ashish, and this is important, we were discussing about this. This is not one isolated case. Let's just quickly go through the earlier cases to understand the larger issue that seems to be plaguing India when it comes to railway safety, passenger safety. One is what we are witnessing today. Just a month ago, we had the Kanchenjunga Express and a freight train, both of them colliding. One of them had collided from behind, had gone and crashed into the Kanchenjunga Express train from behind. Now, this instance had particularly raised a lot of questions because the locomotive pilot had also passed away in this. In fact, the report that had subsequently been filed by the Railway Safety Security Concerned Officer had gone on to say that this was an accident in waiting because there was a communication failure and a wrong document that seemed to have been handed over to the locomotive pilot. So that being one. Now let's just look at the other instances. You have the Shalimar Chennai Central Coromandel Express in Odisha. This happened, and I mean, this was a nightmare. This was possibly the biggest that had happened in Indian since India had got independent. 290 to 300 people had died in this particular case, with over 900 people being injured. Again, a lot of questions were raised about how the covered system had not come into operation, even though it was deployed during this place. A lot of explanations were given that why it could not be deployed, why this covered system could not have protected from this accident happening. Nonetheless, Andhra Pradesh train collision, if you remember, again in October 2023, where 2 passenger trains had collided and 14 people had died, several others were injured as well. Then you have the Bihar Northeast Express derailment, again in October 2023, where 6 coaches of the passenger train had derailed near Buxar. So these are just 3 instances almost in a month, in a span of last 6 months itself. 5 instances in a span of last 6 months. If you look at just last 1 year, there are several such instances further. So big questions. 1, what are the systems in place to ensure that this does not happen? 2, were protocols being followed? 3, are those, the locomotive pilots and those in charge of signals, if at all there is a signal failure, are they trained enough? Are there any checks on them? Several questions. Remember, in the Andhra Pradesh passenger train collision, the subsequent report that had emerged was that loco pilots were watching cricket match on their phone, if you remember this. So that itself had raised a lot of questions. It showed about how there was a lack of a duty being done, there was lack of training, and there was lack of protocols in place. So several questions. And considering this is coming up in just a matter of a month, this is the second such accident, the railway minister has a lot to explain. Ashish.
Absolutely, absolutely, Sneha. In fact, we are also getting an official word there from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. Even as we speak right now, he's tweeted out about this incident. He said, and I read, the train accident in Gonda is extremely sad. The district administration officials have been directed to carry out the relief and rescue operations on a war footing and also to take the injured to the hospital. He is now praying to the God to ensure that all those injured are safe. So this is clearly the incident that we're talking about in Uttar Pradesh. Gonda is what we are being told. That's the major station near where this particular incident has occurred. The exact station, from what we could track on an app, of course, using the live location of the train, was that this is something that has occurred near the Jhilai railway station, and 2:37 is the time when it has occurred. And helpline numbers, as we are flashing on our screens right now, are also out. Rescue teams, the medical services have all been pressed to the spot as well. 2 people have died, 20 to 25 people have been injured.